Forgot your NVIDIA's password? Here's how to reset it. First, open your browser and go to NVIDIA's login page. Here, enter the email address of the account you have forgot the password of. Then tap Continue. A page to enter your password will open. Scroll down a little and tap on Forgot Password. Now enter your email address again. Then tap Submit. Now a verification email will be sent to your email account. Check your inbox and open the email, then tap on Reset My Password. Now NVIDIA will allow you to create a new password. Type it here and re-enter your password to confirm. Then tap Submit. Make sure your password is strong and simple for you to remember. Now choose the account to continue. And that's it, you will be logged into your account and your password is already reset. If you don't get the email, check spam or junk folders or try a different browser. Have you ever had trouble resetting passwords? Let's chat in the comments. And that's it, your NVIDIA password is reset. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.